Hi everyone, welcome to Tradin'Nerve. First of all, thank you for joining me in this journey to the world of trading. So, why you are here and what to expect in this journey? So you are here to learn trading, what it is and what are the up and downs, and what to expect is that by this course I will explain step by step and guide you in the process of making yourselves a profitable trader. So coming to who I am and my goal. So myself Akhil. So I started this journey maybe around 4 years back. Started with learning about crypto and stocks. Then I came into this trading called Forex, and at the inter I started investing, and then I became slowly profitable and maintain consistency in investing and doing Forex every day. So my goal is to be a consistable profitable trader and make you to be same. So I'll guide you to be the same. So what is trading? Most of you all know what is trading, but let me explain it simply. Trading is simply buying and selling the trades. It might be gold, it might be oil, it might be cryptocurrency, it might be stocks. Trading is simply buying and selling something. So course commitment. Coming to the course commitment. So this course will be longer than you think. It might take months to complete this course. So if you are not patient and can't put the time here, this course might not be for you. And coming to the course commitment, you at least have to put around 2 to 3 hours per day for at least 2 to 3 months. And if you can put more than 4 and 5 hours, it might be even faster to become maybe profitable or someone who can analyze the charts. So in this completely first video of this course, what we are going to cover is where I did actually start trading, how much money I initially invested, how much you should invest when starting out this trading, how much time it will take to see some results, and most importantly, why patience and consistency are key. So where I started in trading? I started trading around at my inter, it's about 4 years back, and I started completely with zero knowledge, and I came upon training, learning and everything. So how much I initially invested is around $300, which because I started trading in Forex. So how much you should start investing when you're starting out is more than maybe it's around $100. It's more than enough. If you have more, it's okay, but initially you should at least invest $100. So for now, I can suggest you to start trading in demo accounts so that you can be more mature and good enough to analyze the charts. So how much time? As I said before, at least you need at least 2 to 3 hours per day for around 2 to 3 months to see the results. So why patience and consistency are key? Trading is something like your luck. Sometimes it will be good, sometimes it might be bad, but being patient and consistency will make you more profitable in trading and good enough to analyze the charts. And in future it might be more easy to make huge trades, huge payouts. It will help you. So for this video I'm going to end here. So we are going to start our course. So if you are ready to put this some time, some effort, some discipline, so ready to commit and stay patient and put in some time, let's meet in the next video.